Hi, Shawnee Mission teachers. It's Jennifer here, and I'm popping back on to do a spring 2025, summer 2025 Shawnee Mission column move request. So typically you would want to do this from the inside of a school building or inside a district network. However, if you don't, you can always VPN in from your home, and there's a separate video that shows how to do that. But for right now, we're going to start at the staff pages. So I just headed to smsd.org. I'm going to click on staff on the right-hand side, scroll down to click on human resources on the right-hand side. And then from human resources, you will see on the left-hand side a slate button that says column move and information request. Go ahead and click on that. And this will bring up a lot of great information such as deadlines, criteria. There's a great infographic. The most important part is towards the bottom of this column move request button, and then the SMSD current contact for transcripts is Madison Ogle. She is the one to direct with any questions towards column movement. So go ahead and click on this column movement request button, and it's going to open up a Google form, and this Google form will give you Maddie's information and email again, because sending transcripts electronically I think is your best bet and quickest route to the district. You'll just go ahead and fill out this Google form, and then you will click on yes, I agree. You'll click on electronic or however you choose from whatever university, and then you'll click submit, and that is it for submitting for your column move request. Happy PDing!